Alright, what's up guys? I'm going to do a little update on my 48 International. I think I got too much done in between filming, but it's looking pretty sick. I got a lot of the stuff welded up on it. I got the hood in, grill on. I moved the steering box, did all the steering. I extended my headers 10 inches. I pretty much redid the whole rear suspension. Chopped up the bumper, chopped up the grill, chopped up the hood, made a new drive shaft. Not sure if it's gonna hold up, but I got the doors all figured out. They open and close very good. I still have the seats to mount, floor to build, radiator hoses, pop the carb on there, maybe weld up the motor mounts. I might pull the engine to do that. I got a lot of electrical. I got a brand new fuse box I'm gonna put underneath the dash. Do it right. Once you get the rat rod bug, you're always gonna have it. Check it out. Get the goddamn helicopters.